Are your Qt framework apps crashing due to the Qt5Location DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now.
To kick off the Qt5Location guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Qt5Location, the Qt5Location module. It provides unmanaged routines for mapping and place search orchestration, facilitating the visual data link for localized geospatial manifests.
Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it.
Because Qt5Location.dll is required by Qt Framework to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Qt Framework ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths.
If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS.
A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Qt5Location file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again.
If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ Redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources.
Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Qt5Location.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates.
To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option.
Review repair-related information for Qt5Location by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Qt5Location workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.